Welcome to our comprehensive review of the MONTECH XR ATX mid-tower PC gaming case. Today, we delve into the features and design elements that make this case an excellent choice for gaming enthusiasts looking to build a powerful and visually appealing PC setup. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Design and build quality. The MONTECH XR boasts a striking design with a full-view dual-tempered glass panel that showcases your gaming rig's interior. Its unique wood-grain design I/O interface adds a touch of elegance and modern aesthetics, making it stand out among traditional PC cases. The case is well built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and stability. Cooling system. Equipped with three 120mm ARGB PWM fans pre-installed, the MONTECH XR provides efficient cooling right out of the box. The ARGB lighting not only enhances the case's visual appeal but also offers customizable lighting effects to match your gaming setup. The case supports additional fans and water cooling solutions, including up to a 360mm radiator, ensuring optimal airflow and heat dissipation for high-performance components. Compatibility and expansion. The MONTECH XR is designed to accommodate high-end components, supporting graphics cards up to 4090mm in length. This generous space allows for installation of the latest GPUs without compromise. The case also supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, providing flexibility for various build configurations. Ample room for storage drives and cable management ensures a tidy and organized interior. User-friendly features. With a tool-less design for easy installation of components and drives, the MONTECH XR simplifies the building process for both novice and experienced builders alike. Front I/O ports include USB 3.0 and audio jacks, conveniently located for quick access. The case's spacious interior and thoughtful layout ensure compatibility with a wide range of hardware components and ease of maintenance. Aesthetics and customization. Beyond its functional benefits, the MONTECH XR excels in aesthetics with its tempered glass panels and ARGB lighting. The wood-grain design on the I/O interface adds a unique flair to the case, making it a visually appealing centerpiece for any gaming setup. The customizable ARGB lighting effects can be synchronized with compatible motherboard software for seamless integration with your overall gaming theme. Conclusion. In conclusion, the MONTECH XR ATX mid-tower PC gaming case combines style, functionality, and performance into one impressive package. With its striking design, robust cooling capabilities, ample space for high-performance hardware, and user-friendly features, it caters to gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking a premium case for their next build. Whether you prioritize aesthetics, cooling efficiency, or expandability, the MONTECH XR delivers on all fronts, making it a top choice for creating your ultimate gaming rig.